Late night from New York. Today, a candle in the darkness. Test for a nation. Turning from darkness. A higher light of love shining. Kamala and the Obamas. Now, before you accuse me of hyperbole, take a good look at the darkness that awaits us in the 2025 plan. It's not hyperbole. This nation is at a point of test. For those of you who have been supporting Trump and are now waking up, perhaps because you read what was in the 2025 plan that he endorses, or perhaps because you have been listening to his vice presidential pick and paying close attention to the things that he said, it's not too late to turn to the light. Save a nation. It's not too late. What is the light? Well, you know, the philosophy of this channel is empathy and awareness in our communications. Empathy. Forms of empathy. Forms of love. Empathy is an attempt to understand and to feel what someone else feels. And that's not always easy to do. And humor can kind of cross the line sometimes, but it's usually a good thing as in terms of a wake-up call. You know, if you don't take it too seriously, like why would you take a joke seriously? But when you're taking a look at the darkness that's looming, there definitely is a higher light shining. You've seen the rise of Kamala. She is that light in the darkness right now. She and all of you who still hold to virtue, who believe in a country that's kind and embracing, helpful and not punishing, a country with opportunity for every child and comfort for all of those who have worked hard in a nation and are now coming to the close of their lives. For those who understand that workers are trading partners, that they're no more a cost to business than business is a cost to them. For those of you who see the light, it's not enough. You're going to have to make some sacrifices. It's love in a sacrificial form that saves and covers a multitude of sins which otherwise can engulf and destroy. Moving toward a kind and caring democracy is the goal. Those who turn to virtue. It is a goal that advocates democracy. It's not too late to join in the energy of the light that is rising. The Obamas have embraced a hero of the light. They themselves a light. Come together, those of you who truly follow the source of all love. And remember, in the end, love always beats hate. As I like to do at the close of my presentations, I like to give a blessing. It's an old Irish blessing. It goes like this. May the road rise to meet you. May the wind be always at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face, the rain fall soft upon your fields, and until we meet again, may God hold you in the palm of his hand, or her hand, or its hand, however you see the source of all love. A love that unites and doesn't divide. It can keep our nation from being a house divided. Let the light shine in. And let it have a home in you. Behold, the light stands at the door and knocks. If any invite the light in, they will have a relationship, a loving guidance that rises above all drama and all turmoil, and provides a steady hand to guide a great nation. I also like to mention Carl Sagan's wonderful statement. We are the universe knowing itself. And there's a greeting and a goodbye used in India that means that same thing. Something that echoes in the hearts of everyone, and toward which all religions of heart point. And that greeting and goodbye is namaste. Make a wonderful day today. Don't lock yourself away from the possibilities of love. You can help many today, and yourself in the bargain. Make today a better day if you can. And maybe that sometimes that you're trying to make a better day and are even powerless. Make that better day with a gracious thanks and reception of the love that surrounds you. Don't be blind to it. Namaste, y'all.